So in this video, you'll learn how to fix the screen color of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if your screen color is giving you issues and it looks something like this, and you want to fix it, then I'll be showing you multiple ways you can do so. One of them is by just ensuring that sleep mode is disabled. And this is because most of the time when you turn sleep mode on, you have the grayscale feature enabled, which puts a black and gray filter on your screen. So turn off sleep mode, that filter should disappear and fix the screen color. To do that, you're going to just start by navigating to settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select modes and routines. From here, look for sleep and tap on the button to turn it off. If your screen color still hasn't been fixed, even after disabling sleep mode, then what you're going to do is just go back to the main settings menu and you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, ensure that your display is switched from dark to light so that any issues that you're experiencing will be fixed. Another thing that you can do to fix the screen color is to go back to the main settings menu and then scroll and select the option accessibility. From here, tap on Vision Enhancements and you should see different settings that you can use to fix the screen color. Ensure that Color Inversion is turned off, so just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. And then if your screen color still isn't fixed, select Color Correction in the Vision Enhancements menu and then tap on the toggle to turn it off. Again, if your screen color still isn't fixed after doing all of that, then the last thing that you can do is ensure that the color filter is disabled. Once you've gone through all of those steps to ensure that everything is turned off, the screen color of your Z Fold 7 should be fixed. If it's not, then I would recommend you calling customer care for Samsung support, as it could be an issue with the hardware or just a software update that's caused it problems. But anything else, those steps should be able to help you fix your screen color of your Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.